Delhi LG has condemned the death of the 3 IAS aspirants. Delhi LG says, I'm deeply anguished by the death of 3 civil services aspirants due to waterlogging in the basement of a coaching centre and that of another student due to waterlogging related electrocution. That this should happen in the capital of India is most unfortunate and unacceptable. He further says, I have asked the Divisional Commissioner to submit a report covering every aspect of the tragic incident by Tuesday. Shreya Chatterjee is joining us live on the broadcast. Shreya, the horrific incident has come to light from the national capital where 3 UPSC aspirants lost their life, and this is 3 more after another UPSC aspirant in fact lost his life due to death by electrocution, and now the Delhi LG has condemned these deaths. Tell us more.
Well, the Delhi LG has tweeted out about the death of the 3 civil service aspirants yesterday in the drowning incident that took place in the Rao IAS coaching centre in Old Rajendra Nagar. He also highlighted about the death of one Nilesh Rai who died by electrocution just a few days back. He's detailed that at least 7 incidents of electrocution has been reported over the past few days. Now, he's suggesting that the activities has been closely monitored by him. He's constantly in touch with Delhi Police and the Delhi Fire Services. He's suggesting that the infrastructure-related efforts and endeavours by the government suggest that there is a collapse in the system. Subsequently, he's asked for a report by the Divisional Commissioner, and he suggested that the report be submitted by Tuesday. So this now, after the Delhi Police's action, the LG has also swung into action. He sought a report by Tuesday on the entire matter, what transpired and what follow-up action needs to be taken in this particular matter.